Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Tetris theme on clarinet. First, let's prepare by understanding the melody. We'll cover the essential notes and their fingerings, ensuring you can produce a clear sound. Then, we'll focus on mastering the rhythm and tempo, which are crucial for an authentic performance. Finally, I'll share some valuable practice tips to help you bring this classic game tune to life on your instrument. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the specific notes you'll need. The Tetris A theme largely uses notes such as E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. It's important to practice each note separately, ensuring a clear and steady tone. Refer to a reliable clarinet fingering chart to learn the correct hand positions. Pay close attention to making your transitions between notes as smooth as possible for a beautiful, connected sound. This foundation is key. Next, we'll tackle the rhythm and tempo, which give the Tetris theme its recognizable feel. The piece is generally in 4/4 time, meaning there are 4 beats in each measure. Begin by counting 4 steady beats per measure, perhaps with a metronome set to 60 beats per minute. This slow pace allows you to focus on precision. As you gain confidence and accuracy, gradually increase the tempo, aiming for a lively and energetic performance. Consistency is vital. Finally, here are some tips to help you practice and perform the Tetris theme. Break the melody into smaller, manageable sections. Mastering one part before moving to the next is effective. Listen to the original Tetris theme frequently to internalize its nuances and feel. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight into areas needing improvement. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of bringing this classic video game music to life on your clarinet. Happy playing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.